Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create Telegram channels in Telegram. So let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded your Telegram. Then after, open your Telegram and you're logged into your Telegram account. Then after, over here you can see a pencil icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Here you can see they need your contact access, so make sure you give it, or as per your wish. It's not required as well, so not now, you can do that. Here you can see new channel, so tap on it. Here you can see your channel name. You have to create your channel name, so I'll create one. Then write your description as per your requirement. Write your description and tap on this right or tick button at your top right corner. Here you can see the channel should be public or private. For now, I'll make it private. Then tap on tick or correct icon again. There you can see add subscribers, so add people to your channel. You need to know their name. You need to know their channel's name. So likewise, you can add people and create a channel. Then after doing so, tap on this right swipe arrow. Then here you see your channel has been created. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.